Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see hidden text messages on Android. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, open the Messages application in your mobile. This is the default app for sending and receiving SMS and MMS message. You can find it on your home screen or your app drawer. Then tap on these three dots and simply tap on this settings here, and then just simply tap on your Google account. Now you will see these options here. You have to tap on this archived. Now you can look through the conversation that have been saved. You can scroll up and down to see all the messages that have been hidden from your main screen. You can hold down each conversation that you want to restore. This will select the conversation and show a check mark on the left side. Just simply tap on this unarchive button in the top right corner. This will move the selected conversation back to your main screen and you can see them as a normal message. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to see hidden text messages on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.